We'll quickly jump into SOLIDWORKS Visualize demo. SOLIDWORKS Visualize is available in two types. One is SOLIDWORKS Visualize Standard and Professional. From the Professional, we could able to create videos, and from the Standard, we could able to create high resolution images. So let's jump into it. So this animation gonna explain you how the vacuum cleaner is working on the kitchen floor. So this animation is created in SOLIDWORKS Visualize. So we'll see how to create this kind of high resolution images and the animations. So you can import the files from outside in any of the formats, and you could use the transformation tools to monitor your product. So you could able to adjust the position of it, and you can flip, you can utilize the rotation scaling tools to positions, and we have the denoiser as well as rendering tools to render it, and you could be able to add the appearances as well as the backgrounds and the backplates, and even you could utilize the local and the local library as well as the cloud library. So here I'm not happy with the white color, so you could able to change the color by just utilizing the appearance types. Like there are multiple appearances called plastics, metal, as well as the rubber and the silks. All the kinds of appearances are available in SOLIDWORKS. If it is not available, we do have the options to download it from the outside, and we have the cloud, and over there all the kinds of appearances will be available. Yeah, so now you could play with the different kinds of appearances to add up the brushes. So there are shortcuts. If you just press shift and left click, so you can apply the appearances to the remaining also. Yeah, it is quite looking good for me, and even I'm not okay with this particular appearances, so I'm gonna change the appearance to kind of blue. So let's say I'll directly jump to the other appearances. So here, as you could see at the top, we have the push button as well as the other stop, and even power on power off button also available, and even the indication light is also available. So for that we could add the appearances like emissive as well. So you could even play with the environments. There are different kinds of environments are available. So but with respect to that, floor effects as well as the lighting effects will take place. So even we have the lights, so you could able to adjust the light location so that you could have the proper light visualize on your component. So as you could see, I have changed the color to blue. So even I'm not okay with the white color which is on the front, so even I'm gonna change it. So denoiser is a tool which will be utilized in high-end PCs as well as the laptops. So if you are using graphics card like RTX and even some of the graphics card which are at high-end, they will help you to utilize the denoiser option into SOLIDWORKS Visualize. So as you could see, I have changed the color to blue. So like this, you could able to play with the appearances. So I'm okay with this. So I'll just check how it's gonna look after the rendering. So after that, I'll just change the background environment. So you could see it is a kind of kitchen. So I have already downloaded it, so I'll simply apply the backplate, you could say. So once that is done, I'm gonna place my vacuum cleaner robot on the floor so that it should give me the realistic appearances. So I'm okay with the location now. I need to set the animation for my brushes. So I'll just select it by dealing with the keyframes inside the time bar. I could able to add the animation by just rotating the component. So likewise, by just doing this one, you could able to generate the animation, like rotation animation for the brushes. So that I'm going to utilize continuously. So what I could do is I could just utilize these actors repeatedly so that I can reproduce the rotation animation throughout the video. So now I need to produce the floor movement to the robot. So what I'll do is I'll simply again use the entire model so that I can add the motion to the vacuum cleaner. So let me just place it on the location where I needed it. So from there I'm gonna start. Yeah, so now I'll just select the entire model by just placing the time bar to the required location, and I'll use the transform and the move navigation tool to just move it by just setting up the frame to 1 second. Okay, so like this you could able to generate the floor movement animation, and that video or that animation will be utilized to produce the high-end animation. So here you could see I'm gonna just duplicate these frames so that I can reproduce the rotation animation repeatedly. So once you're done with this, you could able to adjust these actors in a proper locations so that you could have the final animation as I shown before. So you could even see it here. Yeah, so now I'll just simply play the animation. So this is how exactly it's gonna work. So like this you could able to utilize the SOLIDWORKS visualize to reproduce like animations as well as the high rendered quality images, and even you have the interactive pictures also you could able to produce, and even you have the option to produce day night effects. Even you can use the SOLIDWORKS visualize simulation tool to produce the driving motion as well as simulations as well. So these all the capabilities are also available inside the SOLIDWORKS visualize. So this is one of the best rendering tool available in the market. So thank you all for watching.